In this video, I'm going to talk to you about 8 powerful ways to become more disciplined so you can stay consistent, crush your goals, and live with purpose. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1, start with a strong why. Why are we trying to get this thing accomplished? Why are we doing this in the first place, right? Discipline fades when motivation dies, but a clear reason will keep you going. What is the reason you're doing the thing? What is the reason you're doing the task? It doesn't have to be this super emotional thing. It just needs to be a reason. You need to have a why you're doing what you're doing. Ask yourself, who am I doing this for? What's at stake if I quit? It could be for yourself, and it could be because if you quit, you don't make any money. It can be as simple as that, but you need to have a why for what you're doing and why you're doing it. When the purpose is clear, the pain becomes irrelevant. When the purpose is clear, the pain becomes irrelevant. Number 2, create a daily routine. Success is built on structure. Build morning and evening routines that set the tone for your day. No more winging it. 1000%. If you are just winging it, I promise you'll never get anywhere in life. I can promise you that right now. If you're watching this video and you're someone who's winging it, you've probably been where you are winging it for a really long time. And also, you're probably going to be there until you stop. Simple as that. You need to set a daily routine. You need to set a daily routine before you go to sleep the night before, and do the things that you set out to do. Because when you go to sleep at night and you think about, hey, I'm going to do this stuff tomorrow, that right there is your most successful version of yourself saying, this is what I'm going to do, and here's how I'm going to get to where I need to go. When you wake up the next morning, if you don't have this routine written down, the most lazy version of yourself comes up and he's like, I'm not doing nothing today because I'm not disciplined. But you need to have those things set up beforehand so that way you can set yourself up for success. But if you haven't done that, you're just going to be lazy. You're going to go back to sleep. You're going to stay up late. You're going to eat stuff you shouldn't. You're going to not go to the gym. You're going to do all this stuff. You see what I'm saying? So create a daily routine. Number 3, eliminate temptations. Make discipline easier by removing distractions. Turn off notifications. Block toxic apps or websites. Keep junk food or impulse buys out of reach. The reason why you keep doing stuff you're not supposed to do because you keep it in places that you can reach it. When are you going to realize that you can't beat the temptation? Stop trying to beat the temptation. Just get rid of it completely. If you're someone that struggles with lust, you probably should stop following people who look good. If you struggle, if you struggle with your weight, you probably should get rid of food that you're trying to wean off. Just throw it in a trash can. You won't eat it anymore. And stop freaking buying it. You see what I'm saying? Eliminate the distractions. Eliminate the temptations. Get rid of the crap completely and you won't fall into the trap anymore. Number 4, focus on one habit at a time. Don't try to overhaul your life overnight. Choose one area and master it before moving on. Fitness, finance, focus, whatever you need to do. Pick an area, focus on it, master it, and then move on. Pick an area, focus on it, master it, move on. Pick an area, focus on it, master it, move on. Number 5, keep promises to yourself. Discipline grows when you trust yourself. Most of you guys watching this don't trust yourself because you keep watching pornography. When you get rid of pornography, I promise you'll trust yourself more. Because every time you watch it, you literally reset your self-image. Because every time you finish watching it, you're like, damn, I'm not going to do that again. And then what do? You do it again. You already don't trust yourself because you're not disciplined with yourself. Start small and build momentum by doing what you say you'll do. Number 6, track your progress. Use a journal, app, or calendar to check off wins. Seeing progress visually will keep you locked in. This is the one that I have been really good at in the past, but I've let myself slip on it recently. I need to bring it back. So what I used to do, I used to get here, I'll just show you, see if I still have it on this phone. It might be a different phone. But what I would do is I would have like a day-to-day task list that I need to do every single day. Actually, here it is right here. So I had started this one, I think this is one I was using like a month ago. But I don't know if you can see it that good, but I have day-to-day, week 1, and Sunday, Monday, blah, blah, blah. And I have different tasks set up throughout the day that I needed to accomplish, whether that's reading my Bible, reading a book, working out, doing a 30-minute walk, 10,000 steps, posting on social media, etc. There's a list of things that I needed to get done by the end of that day. And those are things that I would schedule out in my day. You need something like that. You need something that tracks your progress, because now I can go back and look at it and go, well, damn, for the last 15 days straight, I've done everything I needed to do. I'm going in the right direction. Sometimes you just need to know that you're going in the right direction. And so track your progress. It doesn't have to be an awesome, crazy app. It can be something as simple as a note in your phone. Number 7, embrace discomfort. Discipline isn't about ease, it's about embracing resistance. The more you do hard things, the easier they become. Comfort is the enemy of growth. The more you do hard things, the easier they become. The less you do hard things, the harder they become, right? So it's that's why I like going to the gym so much, because the gym gives you a realistic example of what life is actually like, right? And it gives you exactly what you need in order to grow. So the people that do go and get 6-pack abs and go to the gym, they already know the recipe for success if they could just apply it in the right things. It's no different in any area. And last but not least, number 8, surround yourself with disciplined people. Environment shapes behavior. Get around people who challenge you, hold you accountable, and live at a high level. And if you can't find these people in person, go find them online. I don't want to hear the excuse about, oh man, all my friends. Just leave your friends, make new friends, or leave your friends and go meet and go find people on YouTube and watch their videos and associate with them. You don't have to literally be with somebody to associate with them. The reason why you think crazy is because you listen to crazy music and watch crazy stuff. Drake may not be your best friend, but you're associating with him every time you turn him on. You're starting to think like him every time you sing his music. So find someone new to go listen to. Find something new to listen to. Find something new to do. And it'll help everything. And so I hope this video helps. If it did, comment below. Hit that like button so that this video is recommended to more people who want to grow in every area of their life, and their finances, success, motivation, confidence, blah, 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 blah. And hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.